Hey, AI will ruin your content strategy, and here's why. Everyone's been talking about how AI is taking over content creation, but here are three reasons why you shouldn't rely on AI alone. Number one, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human beings. You need to learn how in order to benefit from it. Number two, human creativity still wins every single time. No one knows you or your business better than you do, not even a computer. Use that to your advantage to create content that's truly authentic with your audience. Number three, AI can't do strategy very well, but it can do volume. Take full advantage of AI and using your strategy and its volume capabilities for maximum impact to your audience. Now I want to hear from you. How are you blending AI into your content strategy? How are you using AI into your marketing? Share in the comments below. I'd love to